If I should stay, I would only be your way. So I go, but I know I'll think of you when every step of the way. And I will always love you. Will always love you. I hope life treats you kind, and I hope you have all you dream of. And I'm wishing you joy and happiness. But above all this, I'm wishing you love. And
Roland, Abante! Sophia, you were on your feet.
Roland, bravo! I mean, look at everyone here. They're going crazy for you, and I know that the people have been watching you, your audition, and people love you. It's amazing. Coming from your country, from a karaoke.
Thank you.
Good job tonight. You're amazing. You deserve to be on AGT.
Simon, you like that, huh?
No. I loved it. No, how could you not? I mean, after, particularly when I saw the film and what happened after the audition and how much this means to you. And, you were singing your life out on the stage there.
Yes!
That's what makes this competition exciting. People who come from all over the world to kind of fulfill their dreams. And I think America, well, in fact, I know America loves you, and rightly so.
Thank you. Thank you, Simon. Thank you.
Howie!
The perfect song, the perfect voice. It was spectacular. You said, I will always love you. I think you just made everyone in the world love you. This was memorable. Only two can go through. They got to vote for you. I believe that this was the performance of a final.
Heidi, how much did you love him?
I loved it. Your voice has so much grit. It has so much texture. It's beautiful. To be honest, one of my favorites of tonight. And if there was another golden buzzer to push you right to the finale, I would push that for you right now.